हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू टीके स्टडी। दोस्तों, आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं करंट अफेयर्स में 2020 के अभी तक के करंट अफेयर्स, यानी 1 मई से 15 मई तक के करंट अफेयर्स। तो काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट सेशन है। आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट 50 क्वेश्चन, ठीक है, जो कि आपकी किसी भी एग्ज़ाम के लिए, चाहे रेलवे हो, एसएससी हो, बैंक हो या फिर स्टेट पीएससी, काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट है। तो आप लोग सेशन को एक बार अच्छे से देखिएगा। तो चलिए सेशन को शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, हु हैज़ बिन अपॉइंटेड एज इंडियाज नेक्स्ट परमानेंट रिप्रेजेंटेटिव टू द यूएन, यानी यूनाइटेड नेशंस। ओके, द आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, टीएस त्रिमूर्ति। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, विच कंपनी सेट्स अप पार्टनर सपोर्ट फंड फॉर स्मॉल एंड मीडियम बिजनेस एंड लॉजिस्टिक्स इन इंडिया। ओके, द आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, अमेजॉन इंडिया। Next question is, Ayushman Bharat Divas is celebrated on which date? Okay, the answer is option A, 30 April. Next question is, what is target year for India of becoming 5 trillion economy? Okay, the answer is option A, 2025. Next question is, which state tops the list in providing employment to over 18 lakh unskilled laborers under the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme? Okay, the answer is option C, Chhattisgarh. Next question is, which company will set up 2 center for innovation, incubation and training, C IIITS, at Baramulla and Jammu? Okay, the answer is option B, Tata Technology. Next question, which TV show creates world record for highest viewed entertainment program globally? The answer is option C, Ramayan. Next question is, International Labour Day or Workers' Day is celebrated on which date? Okay, the answer is option D, 1st May. And Maharashtra and Gujarat celebrate said day on same day. Okay, do remember this too. Check how the black rice, which back geographical indication tag, is from which of the following state? Okay, the answer is option D, Manipur. Next question is, Gorakhpur terracotta, which back the geographical indication tag, is from which of the following state? Okay, the answer is option B, Uttar Pradesh. And the CM of Uttar Pradesh is Yogi Adityanath, and the capital is Lucknow. Do remember this too. Next question is, which Indian state UT police has, along with All India Institute of Ayurveda, has jointly run the program called Ayu Raksha? Ayu Raksha. Okay, the answer is option B, Delhi. Next question is, the oil price of which country has recorded below $0 for the first time recently? Okay, the answer is option A, United States. Next question, Soyuz MS-15 has returned after International Space Station's 62nd expedition with 3 members recently. Soyuz MS-15 is spacecraft of which country? Okay, the answer is option C, Russia. How many Indian journalists have been honored with Pulitzer Prize 2020? Okay, the answer is option D, 3. Next question is, the US President Donald Trump has nominated which Indian American lawyer as a representative to the International Bank for Reconstruction and Development? Okay, the answer is option A, Ashok Michael Pinto. Next question, the Indian Navy has launched which operation as a part of nation effort to bring back Indian citizen from abroad? Okay, the answer is option A, Samudra Setu. Next question is, government suspend all visa bars travel by OCI card holders. What is full form of ONOCI? Okay, the answer is option B, overseas. Okay, and the full form of OCI is overseas citizen of India. Okay. Next question, which of the following state government has launched a WhatsApp number which people can use to launch complaints regarding corruption? Okay, the answer is option D, Tripura government. Which state government has imposed a special corona fee on liquor? Okay, the answer is option C, Delhi. Russia announced that it is to launch the country's first satellite for monitoring the Arctic climate and the environment. What is the name of the satellite? Okay, the answer is option C, Arctica M. Okay. Which of the following country has successfully isolated a key coronavirus antibody at its main biological research laboratory in a breakthrough development? Okay, the answer is option C, Israel. Saffron from which of the following state UT received a geographical indication tag? Okay, the answer is option A, Kashmir. Which, which initiative is launched for free teleconsultation to those who have COVID-19 like symptoms? Okay, the answer is option C, Arogya Setu Mitir. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is to participate in virtual summit of non-aligned movement NAM. Who is current president of NAM? The answer is option B, Azerbaijan. Okay, and the full form is also important. Okay, which institute developed a portable device, EcoSense, that can be used as diagnostic tool for the detection of COVID-19 antigens? Okay, the answer is option B, National Institute of Animal Biotechnology. Which state government has made it compulsory to download the Arogya Setu app for those living in hotspot area of the state? Okay, the answer is option A, Uttar Pradesh. And the name of CM of Uttar Pradesh is Yogi Adityanath, and the capital is Lucknow. Okay. Which organization developed UV Blaster, an ultraviolet disinfection tower for rapid and chemical-free disinfection of high infection-prone zone? Okay, the answer is option D, Defense Research and Development Organization. What will be the shape of newly proposed Parliament building for India? Okay, the answer is option C, triangular. Okay, important question. What is the name of special train started by Indian government for stranded migrant laborers? Okay, the answer is option B, Shramik Special. The United States Food and Drug Authority has allowed emergency use of which antiviral drug for treatment of severely ill COVID-19 patients? Okay, the answer is option D, Remdesivir. Okay. World Press Freedom Day is celebrated on which date every year? Okay, the answer is option B, May 3rd. Next question is, in which of the following zone the e-commerce company are allowed to sell only essential commodities? Okay, the answer is option A, red. Confederation of All India Traders has announced to launch a national e-commerce marketplace. What is its name? Okay, the answer is option B, Bharat Market. Which country banned use of saliva sweat to shine cricket ball under COVID-19 guidelines? Okay, the answer is option A, Australia. Home Ministry announced extension of lockdown for a further period of how many weeks with effect from May 4? Okay, the answer is option C, 2 weeks. Okay, and the name of Home Minister is Amit Shah. Okay. Next question, first Shramik special train carried 1200 passengers from Hyderabad to which state? Okay, the answer is option B, Jharkhand. India lost the top spot in ICC test ranking to which of the following country? Okay, the answer is option B, Australia. Next question is, what is the name of operation launched by Indian Navy as a part of national effort to repatriate Indian citizen from overseas? Okay, the answer is option A, Samudra Setu. Which state government has extended the COVID-19 lockdown in the state till May 29? Okay, the answer is option D, Telangana. Who received the Young Career Award in Nanoscience and Technology for the year 2020? Okay, the answer is option A, Saurabh Udha. Who has been nominated as a director on the Central Board of Reserve Bank of India? Okay, RBI. The answer is option A, Tarun Bajaj. Government announced to operate how many flights to repatriate stranded Indians abroad from May 7 to May 13? Okay, the answer is option C, 64 flights. Which state government unveiled the Ayush Kavach app that will provide health related tips and information about Ayurvedic medicines amid the COVID-19 pandemic? Okay, the answer is option D, Uttar Pradesh. Next question is, who has been appointed as chairperson of Parliament's Public Account Committee? Okay, the answer is option B, Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary. Okay, he is also a opposition leader at Lok Sabha. Okay, which of the following country has decided to reopen mosque for public prayers? Okay, the answer is option B, Bangladesh. The Iranian parliament has announced the decision to replace its currency rial with which of the following another basic unit of currency? Okay, the answer is option B, Toman. Okay, most important question. Okay, where was the incident of styrene gas leak occurred in a chemical plant LG Polymers industry on 7th May? Okay, the answer is option A, Vishakhapatnam. Which state government increased the retirement age of employees, including teachers and PSU workers, from 58 years to 59? Okay, the answer is option B, Tamil Nadu. Which of the following institute has developed the indigenous IgG ELISA test, COVID Kavach ELISA, for antibody detection for COVID-19? Okay, the answer is option C, National Institute of Virology, Pune. Okay. Indian Railways restored train services partially from which date after lockdown due to COVID-19? Okay, the answer is option C, 12th May. The FIFA Under 17 Women's World Cup will now be held in which year due to COVID-19 pandemic? Okay, the answer is option A, 2021, and India will host the World Cup. Okay. Which of the following state government launched FIR Aapke Dwar Yojana? Okay, the answer is option B, Madhya Pradesh government. And the CM is Shivraj Singh Chauhan and the capital is Bhopal. Okay. International Nurses Day is observed around the world on which date? Okay, the answer is option C, 12th May. Next question, who becomes first Indian to win ITF's Fed Cup Heart Award for Asia and Oceania zone through online voting by fans? Okay, the answer is option B, Sania Mirza. Okay, so these are the most important 50 question of May 2020. Okay, so if you like the session, then please like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video. Okay, thank you.